up, everybody? Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be installing an exhaust on my 2021 Hyundai Elantra N-Line. It's going to be an axle back exhaust from MBRP. Super excited. Also, I got a K&N performance filter to put in it, so it's going to make the engine breathe a lot better. Right now it's a 4-cylinder turbo. It's pushing about 200 horsepower, so let's see what we can get out of it. Getting underneath the car, we have our stock exhaust, stock tips. Come down. OEM Hyundai. And then it routes all the way right there. So axle back exhaust is going to be replacing from that flange back, this muffler, and then the tips. Everything else is not going to be touched, so pretty easy install. Let's get to it. All right, and then after me inspecting it for a little bit, looks like on the left side of the muffler, we're gonna have this clamp that we gotta take off, or hanger. We have this hanger over here. We're gonna have those 2 bolts, and then on this side, we're gonna have crap. Where's it at? 1 more hanger. So 3 hangers total, 2 bolts. And then here goes the exhaust, MBRP, axle back. Unboxing complete. So we got our exhaust tip right in here. There's this flange. And then this bad boy over here. Nice little sticker. Got 2 hose clamps. And looks like 2 extra nuts just in case these snap. That has happened on other installs. And then a nice little instruction guide as well. Wow. That's clean. Super well packaged, all wrapped up in this, plus wrapped in that, and in a box. Honestly, MBRP, 10 out of 10 packaging. All right, and step 1 of removing exhaust is make sure you go ahead and throw a bunch of penetrating fluid on these bolts and these hangers right there. This right here is a 19, so you can just crank that off. All right, so this is what it looks like all done. We have the exhaust flange installed over there. We have the hook set up right there. It connects right here at this clamp to the muffler. Loops around here. And then there's another clamp that connects to the tips. And that's it. 1 hook over there and another hook right here. So then the hook on the other side, that's for the stock muffler, doesn't get used. All right, y'all. So day 2, finish the install of the exhaust. I'll be posting some clips of it here in a second, before and after. I also went ahead and bought one of these K&N filters for it. And then part number if you guys need it. Little unboxing, some stickers, gotta love it. Thank you for your purchase, register. Cool. All right, and intake, simple as this. 1, 2. Kind of gotta shimmy it up and out. And then there goes the old filter. A little dirty. Cool. God, probably should have done this before starting the video. There we go. let's just make sure there's nothing in the airbox itself. It's all cleaned and stuff. We'll go ahead and slide that in. Latch it back down.